Hey, my name is Erica, and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. And if you're tuning in for the first time, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, and thanks for coming back. Let's get to it. Options for beginners. Warning, I am not a financial advisor. Warning. Just had to let y'all know. I am not an expert. Warning. I am just simply here to teach you what I know, and that is it. Do you hear me? All right, let's get to it. I love me some options. Today we're going to talk about options. That is in the stock market, that is. All right, so we talked about it last video just a tad bit, but options are a way for you to make money daily in the stock market if you know what you're doing. All right, tune in. Options is betting if the stock will go up or down. It's simply that simple. It's not the casino, guys. Let's not overcomplicate it, but let's not also think that we're at the casino. Uh, it's not a gamble. Okay, you have to know what you're doing. You have to make sure you're paying attention to your charts. It's not, ooh, if I keep going, maybe it's gonna do what I think I want it to do. None of that. All right, that's very important. So I decided to take a bet on Apple. As you all may know, the stock Apple recently dropped their iPhone, 15. So that stock kind of ran its course, did its thing, uh, ran up, cooled off, ran up, cooled off. So Apple, I've been watching once again. Remember last video, I said make sure you do your research at least 4 to 6 weeks. So I've been doing my research on Apple, paying attention to the charts, seeing, the ranges that it fluctuates between, also known as our support and resistance. So we're going to get into that. But basically, I placed a call betting that the stock would go up on Apple. Okay. So let me walk you guys through it to see what happened. So the first thing I needed to do was figure out, okay, what's the support level for Apple? And the easiest way to describe that is, where does the stock like to chill at? So where does it like to chill at on the chart as far as the numbers? Where does it like to fluctuate and chill at? The definition Google is the level at which demand is strong enough to stop the stock from falling any further. So that's the exact definition. My quick definition is where the stock likes to chill. That's the support level. Resistance. And once again, guys, I kind of have to do this. I take the term and then I read it and I put it together and how I feel fit that works for me. Okay. So that's why I'm giving you guys the Google definition versus how I perceive it. Okay. And that just kind of helps me because sometimes those big words will throw you off. Don't let it throw you off. So resistance. Next, we're going to hop into resistance. So first, we just learned about support. What does the stock like to chill at? Next is resistance. So resistance, Google definition, the level that represents a price point or a price zone that an asset has had trouble breaking above in the time period being considered. See, I might have lost some of you guys already. And it's okay, because here goes my definition. Where does the stock have trouble breaking through at? When it gets to what number, when does it start acting up? Okay, because y'all lost me. Y'all lost me. You lost us. That's it. That's pretty much it. When the stock gets to, let's say, 179, do you start to see red because it's having a hard time reaching that 179? That's all resistance is. Okay, guys, don't let this overcomplicate you. Next, resistance and support. So once I found my resistance and support for my stock, I said, okay, let's play it out. Let's see what it do, y'all. So I pulled up my chart. You always want to make sure you have a chart out. Oh, I did a whole lot of guessing and gambling. So once again, we're not guessing, we're not gambling at all. Okay. So I sat back, I watched my chart, right? I'm watching, I'm watching. I'm like, okay, sit back, you've been studying, you know what's about to happen. So I waited for the perfect opportunity. And this is what happened. I had to remind y'all real quick. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sorry. Had to let y'all know. Hold on. But this is what happened. So right there where you see that circle, I hopped in right there. It went red, and then I seen that green. I looked for another green candle, and I said, that's my cue. It started to form, a uptrend. And I said, oh yeah, I'm hopping in, baby. So I hopped in right there, and I sat back. I waited patiently. And here it is. So remember, last time we went over everything options consist of. So my number of contracts, I had 3 contracts. I placed a call on Apple, AAPL. That's Apple. My expiration date was for October 20th. So mind you guys, I hopped in this on Thursday. So it was going to expire by that Friday, but I wasn't going to sit in there till Friday. No way. I was going to sit in there no longer than about 10 minutes. So I kid you not, in about, I say 20 minutes possibly, maybe even less than that, this is what I got. And it kept going up. It might have even went all the way up to, let's say, maybe even 250. But by the time I can say, "Ooh, okay, let me," I seen it. By the time I could blink, it was coming back down. I said, hold on now. So I went on and cashed her out. But yeah, that's pretty much how my options went. And that was my first time hitting a $200 profit in a long time, especially since I've been back now. Since I've been back, that's the first time. So this is just for motivational purposes and letting you know, if you study and take the time out, yes, you can do this too. Okay? So once again, find the stock of your choice. Study it, study it, study it. Okay? Break it down. Use YouTube. Find what works for you. If there's something you guys are looking to see, let me know down below in the comments. That's what I'm here for. Remember, I'm no expert, but I'm here to help. I can show you what I know. Okay? I had a 40% gain on that day. There's no bank giving you a 40% gain on your money. And if so, let me know. Point me in their direction. In a day? Come on now. So stop pulling through those fast food places. Stop going to get the fresh new pair of Jordans when they come out and start investing in your money. Start making your money work for you. All right? It's time we start making our money work for us. Then we can sit back and chill sometimes. All right? I was able to make this before I took my children to school. I couldn't even believe it. Letting you know it's possible, guys. And last but not least, always remember to bet on you. Keep studying and do your own research. If you like what you see, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you later.